you're interested in learning how the free stock promotion from Webull actually works, then you're going to make sure to watch this video because I'm going to be teaching you the only currently working referral code and link for you to be able to get 12 completely free stocks from Webull. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be teaching you how to refer other people to Webull so that you could be potentially making up to hundreds of extra dollars a day just by referring people to Webull. I'm also going to teach you how to use Webull's referral program so you can get people to sign up, which can net you hundreds of extra dollars per day almost completely passively. So for the first required step of this method to get 12 free stocks worth up to $12,000 from Webull, you're going to make sure that you're either using a phone or using a new phone that has never downloaded Webull before. On top of that, you want to make sure that you have never made an account from Webull before, but if you have made a new account, you have to make sure that it's a new phone. You cannot use the same phone that you made that account on, but you can make an entirely fresh new account with a new email, or you could use something like temp email just to make a burner email really quick so that you can go ahead and just make a whole nother account. And when you guys go ahead and click on the article linked in the description down below, it's going to take you to a link within that article, which is the written version of this video, where all you're going to want to do from there is you're just going to want to click on one of the links where it says Webull referral link. And this is the exclusive code. It's not always going to look like this. Sometimes it might look different. And it's going to tell you right here that instead of the normal welcome rewards where it's only 6 to 10 or 12, you can get up to 12, 20, or 24 with this exclusive link. So all you're going to want to do after you do this is you're just going to hit this sign up button, and then it's going to obviously ask you to set up an account for Webull. I'm not going to be doing this here with you guys because I obviously don't want to dox myself, but what you guys can go ahead and do is just follow the steps right here. And then after you guys sign up for a Webull account, all you're going to want to do is open Webull itself. Now my account here, I have actually made some investments into Webull, and for you guys to be able to get the 12 or 20 free stocks worth potentially up to $12,000, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to open an account yourself, and you're going to have to set up direct deposit. So this is an entirely fresh new account, so I can hit open an account right here, which the open new account button is right here under the markets tab. You can see it right here. You just need to click the open account button, and then it's going to tell you that there's a bunch of things and just ignore all that crap. And then you can see that protecting investors is the top priority. And then you just got to go through the entire process and sign up with your email. And then after you do that, you're going to be getting up to 24 stocks completely free from Webull. And now I want to teach you guys how the referral program actually works, because the information online is extremely conflicting, and I have literally had to do hours and hours of research to figure out how this thing actually works, because it's kind of complicated and it's annoying, and it's not just an easy referral program. So I'm going to be giving you the very easy rundown on just how you can get people to sign up for Webull and get free money. So all you got to do is you got to go to the menu tab right here, as you can see, and then you have to click the My Rewards button. And then all you have to do after you click on My Rewards is hit Participate Now. And then after you click on Participate Now, you can see that there is a bunch of these different promotions that they have going. Now, what do these mean? They don't explain them very well, but the one that I would recommend you guys do is the Get $1,000 worth of Apple, because this one seems to be the most consistent. Basically, as you can see right here, they run these at the 11th of every month, and they run it till the end of the following month. So you can see right here, this one is running from July 11th all the way to August 2nd. And basically what it is that you're guaranteed at least $100 in AAPL stock, which is Apple stock for those who are curious, when you get 3 successful referrals. Now keep in mind, a successful referral in Webull's eyes is someone who created an account and deposited money. And the money doesn't have to be a lot. It can even be just a cent. It can be $1, 10 cents. They just have to deposit some kind of money after they open a stock account. And they have to deposit some kind of money and buy some kind of fractional stock. And then after you do that with 3 different people, you can then hit the spend button and make a guaranteed $100. And you even have the potential of making up to $1,000 with this promotion event. And obviously this specific promotion event isn't going to run forever. So you're going to make sure that you get those 3 referrals before the expiration date. And you're going to want to make sure to constantly check up on the promotion center and see if they have anything new. So you could do this one where this one seems a little bit different. And this is like oh, you can get a $3,000 Webull referral bonus. And this one is a little bit different where you only need 1 new user to sign up. And this new user, as you can see, would need to make a $100 deposit. And in my opinion, I think this is going to be harder than the other one, which is why I like the other one more, which is why I'm telling you guys to do the other one, because this one requires someone to make a $100 deposit, which is obviously going to be hard. And if you guys want to get a bunch of referrals from Webull, because I said you need to get 3 referrals within 1 1 month, which can be challenging, especially if you don't have a social media following. All you got to do is you got to join my Discord. It is called Xavier's University, and it is one of the links in the description down below. And you can see right here, we have this refer for refer tab where we have the basic shared links and the premium share links. So basically all you're going to want to do if you want someone to sign up for Webull and you want them to deposit an amount of money, what you can do is that you can just copy and paste your link in there. I got a link for the affiliate. It's this link right here. And then all you got to say is something like R for R and then hit them with the question mark. And then what this basically means is that you can go into this chat and you can work with my over 2,200 members of my community who are all in here looking to get free stuff from apps by promoting referral links. So you can see we have a lot of Temu, we have some social good, we have a lot of different referral links that people go ahead and sign up for, and you can just do the exact same thing super easily with Webull. But if you do want the potential to stand out from the crowd and also have the ability to add all 2,200 members of the Discord, I would recommend checking out the premium share links. And you can see right here within premium share links, we have a bunch of people, including myself, who are adding everyone. And I have actually used this specific chat to make thousands of dollars in Temu referrals, because if you didn't know, if you get a new user to download Temu, it's an extra $5. And you can see right here, I've been doing at everyone's, and you can see that there is even emoji reacts. So you know that there are people who are actually signing up for this stuff, which means that this is a proven and working method. And if you guys want access to premium share links, because I only allow a certain number of people in, make sure you guys check out Xavier's University. Xavier's University is going to be within my Discord, and basically what it does is that it gives you access to that premium share links. And then on top of that, you get all of my Temu methods, which I use to make thousands of dollars. You get free product methods, you get free and discounted food methods, you get free gift card methods, all for about $10 a week, which is about the price of a cup of coffee that you could have gotten for free. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to check out the link down below. But that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys found it all engaging or interesting, make sure you click on one of these videos right here. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video, because most people don't. And because you decided to watch till the end of the video, I know that it's going to be very, very possible for you to be making a bunch of free, easy money from Webull referral links with the method that I just taught you with my Discord. Consider subscribing to the channel, because on this channel, I teach you all the free out money methods that you could ever want. So make sure you consider subscribing and you click on one of these videos right here. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.